Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I hope you're feeling calm today.
Hi, everyone. Take a deep breath because today we're talking about rain.
Rain has a special power. It changes the mood of the world.
When rain starts falling, everything feels slower.
The streets become quiet. People walk carefully. Cars move softly.
And the sound of rain, it feels like nature is speaking to us.
Some people love rain because it brings peace. No pressure, no rush.
You can sit near a window, watch the drops fall, and forget your worries.
Rain often brings memories, childhood days, school mornings, long walks with friends.
Sometimes rain reminds us of someone special, someone we miss, someone we remember.
Rain can feel emotional. It touches the heart.
But rain is also strong. It feeds the earth. It gives life.
Farmers wait for rain. Plants depend on rain. Animals need rain.
Without rain, the world would be dry and empty.
Rain teaches us balance. Too little rain is bad. Too much rain is also bad.
Just like life, we need balance everywhere.
Rain also teaches patience. We cannot control it.
We learn to wait. We learn to adapt.
Sometimes rain ruins our plans. A trip, a meeting, a day outside.
But maybe rain is asking us to rest, to slow down, to stay inside.
Rain washes away dust. The air feels clean.
After rain, everything looks fresh and new.
Even our minds can feel lighter after rain.
That's why many people like rain sounds. It helps them sleep. It helps them relax.
Difficult times in life are like rain.
They feel heavy. They feel dark.
But they don't last forever.
After rain, the sky opens again.
Sometimes we even see a rainbow.
So when it rains next time, don't complain.
Pause for a moment. Listen carefully.
Because rain is not just weather.
It's a reminder.
That calm always comes after noise.
And clarity comes after storms.